Do you ever find yourself wanting to take a professional photo? Let's face it, specialty cameras and filters are expensive. Today, I'm going to share a tip with you, surely to up your game. All you need is a cell phone camera and a pair of these. Take a look at the difference here. It outlines the contrast and definitely adds a professional quality to the photo. Turn that camera sideways, before, after. I decided to use these red lenses because they're just kind of off the wall. You can use dark tinted lenses, polarized lenses, and it's just a great way to add a professional touch to your photography. If you enjoyed this outdoor photography tip, there's more to come. My name is Raymond Gabriel. Thank you for watching.